3 minutes past the top of the hour. Welcome back to Prime Edition, coming to you live from Broadcasting House here in Nairobi. Okay.
Thank you for talking to us on our socials at KBC Channel 1 on X, YouTube and Facebook. David Gishuru watching KBC Channel 1 from Maram area along Kenyatta Road, and also Enos Omondi watching KBC Channel 1 from the CBD.
Where are you watching us from? Let us know on those social media platforms. Let's swing now straight into the corridors of justice. And Thika Chief Magistrate Stella Atambo received a reprieve Monday after the High Court issued temporary orders stopping the Director of Public Prosecutions from proceeding with a prosecution.
The court ruled that no action should be taken against Atambo pending the hearing of the application set for Tuesday, 10th June 2025.
You remember Atambo was arrested by EACC officials last Thursday after they raided a home and recovered, 22 million Kenyan shillings.
Our able team from the courts compiled this report for you.
Justice Chacha Mwita has handed Thika Chief Magistrate Stella Atambo a reprieve by halting her prosecution. Under a certificate of urgency, Atambo sought the High Court's intervention to challenge the legality of the case against her and how a search warrant was obtained by the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission. Through her lawyers, led by Dr. John Kaminwa, Atambo informed the court that EACC lacked the mandate to prosecute without involving the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. Justice Chacha Mwita allowed the application and issued orders stopping Atambo's prosecution pending a hearing of her petition. Meanwhile, in a related case at the lower court, Magistrate Harrison Baraza has deferred his ruling on whether EACC officers can be granted an audience in the court to Tuesday, March 18th, 2025. The defense team contends that the anti-graft body overstepped its mandate by proceeding without authorization from the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution.
So at what point does EACC then change into becoming prosecutors? At what instance? Does the law apply? Does the law allow them to be both? That is why there is that division of labor. If they are investigators, they are investigators, period. Unless they can show you that it metamorphoses into them being also prosecutors.
The court is set to determine if due legal procedures were followed before the case continue.
And we are appealing to all judicial officers in the country that do not allow fraudulent applications sneaked in by EACC pretending that they have locus to file an application. They don't have under the law.
Elsewhere, a Malindi court has convicted a middle-aged man after he was found guilty of defrauding a tourist of 124,800 shillings by pretending to organize for her trip to Tsavo National Park. Kenneth Joroge Maina alias GB also reportedly absconded court more than 6 times after being released on an 80,000 shillings bond. He was convicted by Malindi resident magistrate Nguruma Namnyak and will know his fate during sentencing Wednesday, 2nd April this year. Letua Debra for Prime Edition.